Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick tutorial on how to fix fonts with the Weld. So if I show you with this font that I've got here, certain words when you use certain fonts will kind of, if they're joined up, cut into each other. And if you send them straight to your cutter, then they cut out the little parts in between. But I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so this is my word, and this is one of the fonts that do it. If you see here, the way the U and the G goes into the A into the R. So if you don't pick up on these occasionally, and you send it straight through to your cutter, and then you're wondering why it's cutting out little pieces, this is normally why. The easiest way to fix it is just with the Weld. So you click on it and you right click, and then you go down to Weld. And what that does, it'll join everything together. But when you do that, the letters that are not joined will be separate. So you just have to remember to regroup stuff, especially if you have like an I, with the dot. Many a time I forgot to do that, and then the dot's missing. So to do that, to regroup, you can either left click and drag and pick it all up, or you can just click on one of them and then hold down your shift key on your keyboard and then select others, like if you had another dot or something. And again, right click and then you group. And then it's just one word. There's no little bits that will be cut out, and you're good to go. So I hope that was easy and straightforward. I'm going to do a few other little tutorials that give you little snippets on how to fix the little things. So if you like what you see, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.